On either side of the mahu are the Amoamo. You've got the tahatane and the tahawahine. On the tahatane you have kai at the top, the tohunga or high priest who did the tohi or the naming ceremony for tūhuruhuru. Tūhuruhuru's at the bottom, and in between is tiniro. Tiniro is the mokopuna of Tangaroa. On the female side you have Hine te Iwa Iwa, obviously the deity of the woven arts, Hine Rokatauri, everything to do with flute music, and Hine Katamia at the bottom. These stories are the origin stories of the whare tāpiri, or the houses of entertainment that used to be seen throughout Aotearoa and in fact throughout the Pacific.
The challenge for our third year students was really immense because they'd never really cut into a big piece of kauri. The history behind the amos was back in the islands. I mean, this is a kōrero that's 2,000 years old and it's still here. It's right here at Matatini.